Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Dear students, today we are going to start with our new lesson, that is lesson number 4, words. So we have already discussed about the words, that how words are formed under the topic morphology in our previous chapters. Okay. So today we will discuss in detail about the words and about the kinds of the words. Now, first of all, we need to understand that what is a word. As we discussed earlier also, that words are formed of letters or sounds. Okay. Now let's see here, a word is a combination of letters or sounds. Like if we combine or join different letters together, they'll give us a word. Okay. Let's see here. In Indian culture, words are called Brahma. So according to the Indian culture, in Indian culture, the words are named as Brahma. Okay, and words are the main source of a sentence. Sentences cannot be imagined without them. Okay, as we discussed earlier also, that in the levels of language, we had the first level, then we have second level, third level. So first level was about the letters, second level was about the phonics or sounds, okay? And then third level was about the words, and when we join the words together, they gave us the fourth level, which was sentences. And after fourth level, we had the fifth level, that was about the paragraph. Okay, and then sixth level was about the literature. If you remember, we have discussed all these points. First level letters, then phonics and sounds, and these things together, when we combine these two levels together, they give us the words. Okay, and words give rise to the sentences. We cannot imagine the sentences without words. Okay, so we should know how to form a word from the letters. Okay, now let's see here. We have different kinds of words on the basis of their meanings and on the basis of their opposite. Okay, now on the basis of meaning, we call the words as synonyms. So synonyms means the same meaning. Okay, let's read here. Synonyms have approximately the same meaning and may therefore be used in place of each other. Okay, so whatever word meanings we discuss in the chapters we read. Okay, so those are the synonyms, means the same meanings. Now here we are given different words like career. Career means course. Okay, earn, obtain or gain. Okay, easy, gentle, not difficult. Then cause, source or reason. Cruelty, brutality or torture. Then pleasure means delight or joy. Proficient means expert or masterly. Dead means lifeless, still without any life. Ecstasy, delight or rapture. Empty means vacant or unfilled. Then have means to possess or own. Have can also be used as a helping verbs. It is also used in the helping as a helping verb, but here it has the different meaning here. Okay, help, aid, assist or support. Big, large, huge. Calm, quiet and peaceful. Enjoy, appreciate, like. Neat, clean or tidy. Story, tale, myth, fable. Amazing means wonderful or extraordinary. Scared means afraid or frightened. Interesting means fascinating or attractive. So all these are the similar meanings, okay, to these words. So these are called as synonyms. Alright. Then later we have this worksheet. This worksheet you have to do on your own. As I discussed in the online class also, like here we are given this sentence: I met Ria in Canada not long ago. Okay, so these words, okay, these group of words, which are given here not long ago, we have to use one word which means the same from this group. Okay, like here I have done this one for you. I met Ria in Canada. So not long ago here means recently. So we will use recently. Okay, so the same way we have to do rest of the sentences. Now let's come to the second kind of words. The other kind of words here are antonyms. Okay, antonyms are the words which are based upon the opposite meaning of the given words. Okay, these are called opposites. Now here let's see. Bunny Rabbit and Tweety Chick are collecting things in a park. They collected different kinds of things, all in different shapes and sizes. So Bunny Rabbit and Tweety Chick, they are doing some activity. What they are doing, they are collecting the things in a park, and those things may be big or small in size, or maybe long or short, we can say, or empty or full. Here let's see. Big boxes, small boxes. Now here big and small are opposites. Small is opposite to big. Then long branches, short sticks. Now here long and short, they are opposite to each other. Then dirty newspaper, clean jars. Opposite to dirty is clean. Okay, then empty bottles, full packets. So here the words big small, long short, dirty clean, empty full are opposites. All right, now here examples are given. For few words are given here, and we are also given the opposite words for these words. Let's see. Antonyms are words which are opposite in meaning. Now here arrive, opposite is depart. Arrive means पहुंचना, depart means वहाँ से निकलना या जाना. ठीक है. Artificial, which is man-made. Natural, which exists naturally in this earth, on this earth, sorry. Ascend means increase. Descend means decrease. Awake, जगना. Asleep, सोना. Backward, पीछे की तरफ. Forward, आगे की तरफ. Then cruel, a person who is very cruel in his behavior, who always behave rudely, we can say, in a bad manner, who treats badly to the others. Then its opposite will be kind. Okay, kind, who is very gentle or generous person, humble, we can say. Then dangerous, something which is harmful. Then safe, something which is harmless. Okay, weak, strong, this you know. Dry, moist, wet, this also everyone surely be knowing. Wide, narrow. Wide means something which is broad. Narrow, its opposite, which is not broad, जो थोड़ा तंग हो. ठीक है. Then we have best, and then opposite is worst. Win, lose. Heaven, swarg. Hell, nark. Polite, who is very soft spoken. Rude again, who speaks very rudely or in a harsh manner. Against, for, means who is against your opinion or who is not in favor of something. For means when we are doing something in favor of the others. Heavy or light. Heavy, something heavy in weight. Light, which is light in weight. Okay. Then easy, hard or difficult. Easy, which is very easy to understand or very we can say relaxing also. So here we have hard or difficult. Then join, separate, minor, major, new, old. Okay.